Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a quick backup copy and closing Excel so no temp files lock the workbook. Once done, disable autosave and save as to a modern format, XLSX or XLSB, because those formats store data more compactly. Next, remove unused sheets and hidden ranges. You do this now to avoid carrying dead data. Make sure to clear unnecessary cell formatting and conditional formats across sheets. That alone can trim file size significantly. These first steps set the foundation for deeper compression. Now you tackle the heavy hitters: images, formulas, and caches. Compress embedded pictures using Excel's Compress Pictures tool. Choose 150 dpi or 96 dpi for most use cases. Delete unused visuals. Once done, replace complex, static formulas with values where appropriate and clear pivot table caches to drop cached records. Also review and delete unused named ranges and external links. They often bloat files. Finally, save a copy as Excel binary workbook, XLSB, because it stores large sheets more efficiently and often reduces size dramatically. Finish by inspecting and packaging. Run Document Inspector to remove hidden metadata and personal information, then save and close the workbook. You can zip the saved file for an extra compression layer before sending or archiving. Once zipped or saved, reopen the workbook to confirm integrity and recalculate formulas. If anything goes wrong, file won't open or data seems missing, stop and revert to the backup you made in step 1. If needed, use Excel's Open and Repair feature to recover content before retrying compression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.